to thank God for this day. All glory belongs to you, our Lord. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world, according to Nelson Mandela. Tanan nga hard works and efforts toward it kay ari na tadrita ng subong. For the past 10 months, we learned and experienced a lot of things. We experienced being happy, sad, tired, and sometimes we feel like giving up. May times na perti na gikabudlay sa mga activities and performance tasks. But still, nakaya natin despite the challenges each one of us are facing. We also make friends with our classmates. We make memories that is memorable. And hindi gid madula ang arguments sometimes. I want to say sorry for those who I wronged and to those who don't like my attitude. I'm so sorry. Nagdasig lang sa panahon no, sunod ka po naman takag-prank sa atong mga activities sa senior high. Subong makasiling na tanong worth it kilang tanan. I also want to congratulate all the parents. Of course, we wouldn't be here without them. I want to thank Mama for all the hard works and sacrifices she had made para mapa-eskwela yung isa akong mga. Hindi hapos para sa iya magtrabaho sa layo. Isa lang makapuli para mapaskwela kami nga doon. Gusto ko nga magpasalamat kay Tito kay isang perti siya ka-busy aring sa subong sa simbahan para ma-attend subong. I also want to express my gratitude to all the teachers. Thank you so much sa effort and sacrifices para mahatagan kami sa good quality of education. Tanan nga knowledge nga nakuha ko sa teachers sa Mantuao National High School. Madala ko gid kung di man ko magkapakalabuon. Sa liwat, congratulations to my fellow students. Good luck to your next journey. Thank you and good morning.